Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find muted stories on Instagram. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. So click on that and basically you need to update your Instagram application. So let me search Insta. Okay. So click on update. So once you update it, you need to go back and you need to open Instagram application. Click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. Click on three bars on the top right. Scroll down and here you can see that is under what you see muted account. So click on that. And if you mute someone, so here you can see that I did not mute any account. So if you mute any account, so you simply need to click on that and unmute. So once you unmute, you can easily see that person's stories. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.